Hello people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mimi. Today I'm going to be doing the Goddess Fauxlocs crochet. My client got this hair off of Amazon, so it's unbranded. So beginning, I just prepped her hair. I blew dried and now I'm sectioning off. So you can see me like sectioning off some hair right in the middle because I'm gonna be cornrowing the middle part, and I left like hair around it like in a 360 form, and I'm just gonna be doing like single braids all around it. So guys, for the single braids, I'm just gonna part it like I would part a box braids, and I simply braid with her natural hair. So that's like a no-brainer, and that's the result. That's how it looks like after it's all done. You can see the cornrows in the middle. So the basic crochet is like really easy. Simply stick in the crochet needle into the braids and then pull out and like make a knot. You stick the longer part of the hair into the loop and then you make a knot that way. So but for this video, I'm gonna be focusing on the natural looking faux locks. So you simply stick the needle into the roots of your already braided natural hair, and then you attach the needle to the loop of the crochet hair, and then you pull in just like that. And you locate the loop again. It should be like a small or wide hole, yeah, and then you pull together with the natural hair. You pull right into it, creating a knot. So it's really easy, guys. So right after, you begin a process which I call unwrap and wrap. So you're going to be unwrapping the crochet hair, and then you wrap it right on top of the natural braid. You unwrap it, you wrap it, unwrap it, and wrap it. So you keep doing this until you get to the ends of the natural braids. So the time this hair is going to take is going to depend on how long your client's natural hair is. Her hair is pretty long, so I think this is going to be taking a little bit of time. So you unwrap, like kind of like open up the crochet hair and like spin it over the natural hair. You know, open it up, spin it over, thereby closing it. Open it up, spin it just like that until you get to the ends. So after that, I simply just use my hands and like massage very lightly, you know, to make sure it's sealed in. So just massage all around it, make sure it's sealed in. So I'm going to be showing you the process once again. So I stuck the needle to the roots of her natural hair, and that's my loop. And now I attached it to the crochet hook, and then I closed the hook and pulled out. So I think this is more descriptive. Yeah. So I pulled out and then made the knots using both the natural hair and the crochet hair. And now I'm unwrapping and wrapping. So the same process, unwrapping and wrapping. So just be very careful so that you're not leaving like the natural braids to be obvious. So it's properly wrapped and tucked in at the end of the day. Well, you know how they say that the third time's a charm. Well, if you didn't get it right the first time or the second time, here is another go at it. It took me a while to perfect. I'm a professional hairstylist and it took me a while to perfect. Yeah. So this then is a little tricky, but once you get the hang of it, you find out that it is quite easy. So you just like wrap and unwrap. So the trick here is that do not twist. Like a lot of people end up twisting. I made this mistake. Like you're twisting the crochet hair over the natural hair or the natural hair over the crochet hair. That's a no. So no twisting. So simply unwrap the crochet hair and wrap it across the natural hair. So you keep doing that until you get to the ends, and then you just massage gently. So it's as easy as that. It might seem a little bit difficult, but just keep trying. Don't give up hope. Look at the video like over and over, and you just get the hang of it. So guys, that's it. We have our goddess Fauxlocs crochet all done and ready to be slayed. Thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe. And you can follow us on Instagram at Glam with Mimi W. Thank you guys for your support so far. I appreciate you guys. And I want to announce I am back to taking appointments. Yay! So you can go right on my Instagram to book. It's been hard with the coronavirus situation, but right now we are back.